How to use Vanilla gift card at Walmart. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Vanilla gift card at Walmart. Now here the process is quite simple. You can do so on your app, Walmart app itself, or you can do so on the browser. Now here in my case I'm on the browser. If you want to do it on the browser, you can head into walmart.com on your browser and you'll be headed into official Walmart page here, and you want to log into your account. In my case I've already logged in. The first step here is what you want to do is you want to add items that you want to buy to your cart. Once you add it to your cart, you'll find the cart icon at the home page. At the top right corner of the screen you can see the cart icon. Simply tap on it and you'll be headed into cart, and you want to proceed to checkout. Now here, simply tap on continue to checkout once you select the items that you want to check out, and tap on continue to checkout. It'll ask you to add in your shipment details, and once you do so, it'll ask you for second option, the payment method. Now here you can see pay with card option, and you can see various card option there, gift card option in there as well. Now to use gift card, now since if you want to use credit or debit card, you enter your card number here, right? Similarly, if you want to enter in your gift card too, you want to enter in your gift card details here, card number here, and you want to continue, and you'll be able to use the gift card. So this way you can use Vanilla gift card at Walmart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.